Hello friends, I am Pravinder Randhawa from IBSL AMBALA. Today I am going for a topic which is based on the fill in the blanks, right? And this is a part of the reading test. In this I have selected the question numbers 24, 25 and 26. It means it's a part of reading passage 2. And this is a topic which is in front of you. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 paragraphs are there from A. Right, to G. So these are the paragraphs on the pages. Please go through it. And these are the questions. Just 3 questions are there in this case, that is 24, 25 and 26. And they have written here no more than 3 words from the passage for each answer, and the topic is based on the nature of modern humans. Now I am going to start this one. Recent work in the field of evolutionary anthropology has made it possible to compare modern humans with other related species. Recent work in the field of evolutionary anthropology has made it possible to compare modern humans with other related species. Genetic analysis resulted in several new findings. First, despite the length of time for which Homo sapiens and Homo neanderthals had developed separately, dash did take place. So, this is my passage. I have to start from here. Made modern humans so different from other animals are hard to determine without an ability to examine. I am searching my line here. What I will do, I will first find the answers, then I will try to explain with you. Right? Now, I am in the para number B. Fine. You can check please. And I am trying to find one word here which I have got from this blank. That is, he said, genetic analysis resulted in several new findings. Right, first. So what is the first here? I will find this word, then the counting first word. If I will find this, naturally I will get my answer. Right. So he said here, you can check the arrival of in a region which is quickly followed by this. Before 2009, Dr. Pavo and his team has conducted superficial comparison between DNA and this. The history turns out interviewed than many has. Dr. and his colleague, right, compared other genome and from 3 years and with the various previous genetic analysis, which has only examined DNA passed from mother to child in cellular structures called mitochondria, has suggested no interbreeding between, right, these and modern humans. There is no interbreeding between these. So what he is saying, right, developed separately. So dash did take place. Dash did take place. So I'll give the answer here, interbreeding. Right. So you can check please. After that, I will go with this one. Secondly, which evolved after modern humans split from Neanderthals are connected with cognitive. I will go with the cognitive ability and skeletal. So I am going to this one, comparing the DNA of this and this. Right, ancestors have been correlated, doctor, between 2% and this is it shows that several thousand years of separation. Because I have to find cognition here of the word first, then I'll get the second word. Usual pattern of innovation in this one piece of this illuminates the difference between by comparing modern humans, chimpanzee, possible to distinguish, right, genetic which shared by the humans greatly. So here I am going for this one. more than 90% of the human excitatory regions that have been intensified needed. However, this and evolution, the state of genome science is still quite primitive, by bit of DNA and but examination of these associated several genes which are associated with cognitive ability. So I have got one word here, that is cognition here. So naturally my matching will start, right? And he said here skeletal, right? So malfunction consists serious mental genes, therefore look like great places to start the search for modern humanity. Since the newly evolved regions also include a gene called this, which controls bone growth, that may account for differences in the shape of the skull and the rib cage between the two species. So he said here one thing, genes which evolved after modern humans split from this, connected with cognitive ability, right? And means he said of modern humans evolved after modern humans, newly evolved regions, DNA structure also include a gene called this, which controls bone growth, account for differences shape of the skull. Skull is there, skeletal, and shape is the shape of the skull. So this is the answer. Third, the potential for this line of research to shed light on the nature of human was further strengthened when analysis of a dash led to discovery of dash. So his word further. So potential for this, he said that already shows that modern same version but involved the ability to speak, right, which differs in promising and second cope in quick succession. For this, another team has revealed the existence of species of using this, right, found in a little bone. 1 minute. And another of his team has revealed existence of unsuspected species of human, right, using mitochondria DNA found in and he said analysis of a dash led to discovery of dash, right? It led to discovery of dash new human. So he's one potential for this line will start in the nature model further strengthen another revealed that evidence on a little finger bone. Now I have to write 3 words here, right? When I have to write the 3 words, so I can easily write A is given here, so little finger bone. So I have written here little, right, L-I-T-T-L-E. So hyphen is there in little, so it is considered to be the one word, and second is my bone. Let me write again, space was small here. So these are the 3 answers, right? Now let's start how I got. First I told you that I got the genetic analysis word, right? And I search first, second, these questions are based on genetics analysis. So let's go to the genetic analysis. He said by comparing the DNA, the cell, right, various, we got genetic analysis here. Now check from where I got the idea. He said here, despite the length of time for which Homo sapiens and Homo, right, Neanderthal have developed separately, means they developed separately. There was a time gap, right? Means length of time means there was a time gap between Homo sapiens, that is modern humans, right? They are also known as Homo sapiens, and the other part of the Homo that he has written here. So what he has given here, he told us one thing, that DNA passed from mother to child in cellular structure, whatever may be, no interbreeding this and this, right? He said which has only examined DNA passed from mother to child, this, right, modern humans are Homo sapiens. This is a technical term, right? It's in cut, and this one is written here. Let me adjust the page, please. This is a para number D. Fine. So he said here, Netherlands, they are connected with this. What he is saying, have developed separately. So how can I know that they have developed separately here? Just a moment, please. So he said, now let's come to the, if we want to go, which are only examining DNA from mother to child, call this and this, between this and this interbreeding, right? And it means modern humans, we are modern humans, right? They are our ancestors. Naturally, length of time, I think you understand, despite the length of time for which they dash did take place, and he is saying suggests no interbreeding between this and this, right? Separately, dash did take place. So he is saying no, had suggested between this and this. The new more extensive examination which looks at of nucleus rather than in mitochondria show this conclusion is wrong. Got it? So here he is saying no interbreeding. Still I gave the answer interbreeding, because in the next lines it is clear that the extensive examination which looks at the DNA, it means there was interbreeding between both groups. You are saying wrong. This from here we got the first one. Second, we went to the next point, that is we have to find the cognitive. And secondly, genes which evolved after modern humans, split is there, right? Now let's go to the next part. Here the person is saying what he is saying, that he is saying but an examination in the 20th largest regions of DNA that have evolved in this way shows that they include several genes which are associated with this. 1 minute. This I got. These genes therefore look like places, it means these are part of this one. Then I am going to para number G here. The newly evolved regions of DNA also include a gene called whatever may be. Newly evolved regions of DNA. No need to read anything. That may account for differences in the shape of the skull. And what is here? Skeletal shape. So how? He said genes which evolved after split from this are connected with this. This means I have to find the because and is there. And means cognitive ability has the relation with this word, right? It has the relation with this word. So here how I maintain the relation? Cognitive is given here. You can check. And he said this include a gene which controls bone. This may account for the difference. This between the two species. So I got the difference here, right? First is despite the length of time for which whatever may be. Second is this one. But in this we can go with the growth also, we can go with the shape also. Fine. Next is this. You can go. He said potential for rainfall research shed light on the nature of modern humans were further strengthened when analysis of dash led to a discovery of new human species. So something analysis is there, right? Further means a kind of, we can say, further research. When we went to the next part in this para, he said that another of his teams have revealed that existence of 1 minute. He is saying potential of line of research to shed light on the nature of modern humans further, and he is saying another, right? Another means second term, revealed unsuspected species of human using this found in unsuspected species, and he is saying when a dash led to discovery of new human process. So unsuspected species of human, new human species we can say. And what is the discovery of a or found, right? Analysis of found in a little finger bone of a little. So this we did in front of you. Whatever I have got from my mind here, we can get another things also, right? Because there are other also. Because I read while going on the, even if you want to clear, I can check the interbreeding also. Because when I was reading, so I got one point also from which I was also sure. You can check that even after several 100,000 years, separation through species were interfertile. So separation word is also used here, which means length of time also. From here we can also say, right, two species. But the right answer of interbreeding, that is from here, and that's the right here, right? So answer is interbreeding. But line here also we can use, right, to manage that. Just my answer is right of this one, that is 24th. I will show you the questions also. Seriously, it was a very nice session. I enjoyed with you this session, and it's because these three questions are means really it's enjoyable question in IELTS reading, right? And it will come in we can say general people also for, and it will come for this one academic people also, right? Now I am going for next video on writing section. Speaking, I am also lacking in some of the videos. I have given a lot of videos, but I think that I need more in this case. So speaking, naturally you will get next week more and more videos. Thanks for watching my channel, right? My channel name is Parvinder Randhawa Guru, at the rate of Randhawa Guru at YouTube. Please subscribe my channel. Frank to you, right? My channel is just like a, we consider it's a free channel, right? We are from IBSL AMBALA, India. That is the Indo-British School for Languages, right? It's a free channel. That's why you have seen most of the videos, right? We don't need any hi-fi professionalism in our videos. We want that our concept should be clear with you. Thanks for watching my channel, right? And for this video also, seriously, this is a nice session. Please watch it and comment also on it, because this is one of the typical videos I have made in the fill blanks, right? Thanks please once again.